Sherpa, and I'm a coffee grower, processor, and an exporter from Nepal. We've been growing coffees since 2009, and we've been exporting all of our coffees to the specialty coffee industry in the US and in the European countries as well. Talking about coffee, I'm a coffee passionate person, and I've pretty much completed all the models that the coffee industry has to offer. I'm a Q grader as well, so quality checking is one of the most important aspect of my work that I do. Well, Nepal has always been known for its high mountains and for its exotic trekking destinations, but few people know about the coffees that's being grown here in Nepal. Adventure tourism has always been the forte of Nepal, but what happens when you travel with a sense of social achievement? Well, this is where I'll be taking you to experience what it takes to grow specialty coffees in these remote areas of Nepal. I think another aspect of doing an origin trip in Nepal is about creating relationships with the farmers and experiencing the coffee communities, as well as creating an impact in their living standards. I think this trip is about exploring Nepal and its coffee origin. It's about getting a deeper understanding of how coffees are grown in Nepal, and also building relationships with the farmers. Well, I believe that coffee for me has always been more than just a beverage. It has a deeper meaning than just a cup of coffee. The reason just being that that particular coffee that we drink has been touched by many hands, and we are trying our best to showcase those little stories of coffee farmers who are producing those coffees. This trip is for everyone who loves to travel and learn. It's for people who want to know how specialty coffees are grown, processed, and exported, and at the same time get a deeper understanding of the stories of these people producing it. Therefore, people, community, relationships, and quality are what drives us to showcase our Nepali coffee to the world.